All right, we are going to now learn about quadrilaterals or quadrangles. Remember, that means the same thing, that are not parallelograms. So please make sure that you have your math textbook turned to page 100 and also have your math notebook out so you can write down the definitions. So the first shape that we're going to learn about is called a trapezoid. And a trapezoid, as you can see in this, has only one set of parallel lines. So the top and the bottom in this trapezoid are parallel. They are never going to touch. But if you notice, this one's on the side, they're angled. So eventually, those lines are going to cross. Okay? So the trapezoid has only one set of parallel sides. Make sure you write that down in your math notebook. You can pause the video to do that. You can also see that it says the four sides of a trapezoid can all have different lengths. They don't have to have any length that's the same size. So the reason that these are not parallelograms is because they only have one set of parallel lines instead of two. All right, so the next type of quadrangle that we're going to talk about, is called a kite. Okay, and a kite doesn't have any parallel lines. Okay, you can notice that if you imagine these lines continuing forever and ever, that they would cross, okay, both sides. A kite is a quadrilateral with two sets of equal sides. So you can see in the picture, the sides that have one line, those are the same length. And then the ones on the other side that have two lines through them, those are also the same length. So a kite has two sets of equal sides. And in your textbook, it says a kite is a quadrangle. Remember, quadrangle and quadrilateral mean the same thing, a four-sided figure. A kite is a quadrangle with two pairs of equal sides. The equal sides are next to each other. The four sides cannot all have the same length. Okay? Because if they had the same length, then they'd be a rhombus or a square. Okay? So if you look at this picture, this is what a kite is. A kite is a type of quadrilateral, but it has two sets of equal sides. All right, the last type of quadrilateral is other. It just has a huge category of quadrilaterals that don't have defining features. So if you look at these, they all have four sides, but hold on.
Hi. I hope you guys have a good day.
Griffin wanted to say hello.
I don't.
All right, hopefully that was kind of a fun surprise for you. So these are other types of quadrilaterals. You can see that none of them have the same length. They don't have any parallel lines. They have different types. They all look different, right? Okay, so the only defining feature of these, the only thing that's the same, is that they have four sides. That's it. So you can see in your textbook, it says other, and it says any polygon with four sides that is not a parallelogram, a trapezoid, or a kite.